Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, Friday freebie, free printable for you guys to download, print and enjoy. Now this is the page for today. It's a lovely background. I don't know if you can see, but it's got some woods on the background, some lovely flowers, and then of course these gorgeous pink butterflies. This page here I have designed to showcase to you all my Pretty in Pink book. What's my books? On my website, which I'll show you in just a minute, you see all my books. They are, so how I use them, so I print them off. Of course you will put your name in there and then you can scan the QR code and that take you straight to my website. So the books are, you can print them of course and use them as separate pages, but what I do, I literally print them off and use them as a reference, so I can see, like, I don't know, I pick this and I say, all right, I want to make something with this page, then of course I go in back and print them. So hence why I put them together, so simply I staple them together, so they're all grouped by collection. So, and I think it's really pretty to look at. Don't you guys agree? So yeah, this is my pages from the Pretty in Pink book. As you can see, as the name says, it's all pink. So if you're like me, you're obsessed with pink florals, you're definitely going to enjoy this book. So you've got loads of pages. You've got some butterflies, some doilies, some full page, some cards background. As usual, everything that I do is you know, you can use it in different elements. You've got some pussycat butterflies, some more background, some more butterflies, gift pillow boxes, some ephemera. So it's a very complete book. You've got some labels, some tabs, some tags, and then a few more pages, pockets. These, when you do it up, this is a milk carton box. It looks like this. So each of the squares are the square ones, and then that's the bottom, and the triangles are these triangles here. Okay, so it's a milk carton gift box. I love creating them. And then the last two pages is literally, you can see all my books, all my collections for your reference. Okay, so guys, as usual, where to find this, let me show you. As usual guys, two ways to get my freebie. Way number one is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number two, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies. Your support is truly appreciated, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification. So I will see you next week for lots of creative videos, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.